Hi children, I think all are safe and well at home. In this video we are going to learn civics unit 1, that is understanding diversity. Understanding diversity means பன்முக தன்மையினை அறிவோம். Tamil meaning is பன்முக தன்மையினை அறிவோம். Diversity means a range of different people or things. Okay. Okay, understanding diversity. People speak different languages. See, we are speaking different languages and eating different kinds of food, and we celebrate our own festivals. Okay, we belong to different communities, so we celebrate our different festivals and practice a culture different from each other. So, but we belong to India, so we are living in the same country, but we follow different languages and different kinds of food, eat different food, everything is different from us. Okay, but we live in different parts of our country, not different parts of our country. Okay, not in the same place, in different ways of life. Our lifestyle also is different from each other. Okay, we are not following the same systems, but these differences make us unique as Indians. But even though we are Indians, okay, but we are not thinking that we are different. We are belong to different places like that. But we all are Indians. So our the different backgrounds. Okay, we come from different backgrounds, not from same family and same community. Belong to different cultures. Worship in different ways. We worship different ways. Okay, we have so many differences between worshipping also, yet we live together, but we are living together. So this is known as diversity. From this we can understand what is diversity. Even though we follow different systems, different rules and regulations, worshipping, our food, okay, everything is different, but we belong to India, so yet we live together, but living together. So this is known as diversity. Okay, uniting in diversity. If you see this pictures, so many communities are there and different kinds of people. In this, by this we can understand unity in diversity. Okay. Okay, diversity in India, that is different means different kinds of people. Okay, those who migrated in India, that is a range of different people in India. So Indian civilization, that is 500 years old, that is civilization is Nagarika. Okay, so many have come before 5000 years ago. People from different parts of the world, they have attracted towards India because of its wealth. So they have come from many other places, okay, for a business like this. So they have come, they migrated to into India by landways and roadways, by land and sea routes also, okay, sea routes over India. So there so many kinds of people have come, such as for example Dravidians, then Negroids, Aryans, then Alpines and Mongolians became part of the modern race India. So they have entered here in our country. This movement and migration of people is the reason for India's rich diversity. So many different kinds of communities have joined here, so that only India is rich in diversity. Okay. Landforms and lifestyle diversity. Landform means நில அமைப்புகள். Lifestyle means வாழ்வியல் in diversity, that is range of different people. Landforms and lifestyle in different range of diversity. Okay, different kinds of people. Diversity means different range of people in landforms and lifestyle. So continent means kandam, a very large area of land. It has a very large area with various physical features such as mountains, then plateaus, plains, rivers. Okay, plains means it will be, the land is suitable for cultivation. Plateaus we can't. So rivers are very important for cultivation, and seas and various types of weather patterns in our continent. All these are there. Then India is also a subcontinent. Subcontinent is Tunai Kandam. Then next, physical and climatic features determine the economic activities of a region. Okay, due to the climate and features, it determines the economic activities. That is, plains, then agriculture, coastal areas, then fishing, mountainous regions, then rearing of animals, and hilly landscapes, cultivation of coffee and tea. It depends according to the climatic conditions of the regions. Okay, landforms, the surface of Earth. Our Earth is covered with different types of landforms. Okay, here we are living in the on the Earth. So the surface of Earth, it is covered with different types of landforms. See the picture: valley, then mountains, plains, soft land, plain lands, then islands, then see the island, the desert and coastline near the sea. Okay, diversity in landforms also impacts the flora and fauna of a region. Okay, diversity in landforms, that is different kinds of landforms. There are only some flora and fauna, that is animals and plants. That is தாவர இன வகையும் விலங்கின தொகுதி. It is situated according to the landforms. Animals also live which is suitable for them. They select that kind of place only they used to live. Then only they can live. That climate, everything is suitable for them only they can live happily. Then next, the plants and animals, that is flora and fauna. Plants and animals, the wealth of a place depends upon the natural habitat, because they it is the place they can live there, so that only the climate also is suitable for them. In that region only these plants can grow, as well as these animals can live. Then food, clothing, then occupation and livelihood of the people is closely connected with the region's natural surroundings and climate. So according to the climate, they eat the food also, they eat according to the climate. Then clothing also, they wear dress according to the climate. Occupation, so occupation also in the same way, if the natural surroundings and climates is suitable for them, according to that only they do the work. So if both food, clothing and shelter is related and connected to the natural surroundings and climate, both are connected. Okay, now Mausoleum. It is located in Meghalaya, and Jaisalmer is located in Rajasthan. But in Mausoleum, this is the land of highest rainfall. Here, there will be rainfall will be very high. But in Jaisalmer, there the land is lowest rainfall. This land gets only very lowest rainfall. This is the difference between the two places. Okay, social diversity, that is interdependence and coexistence. The meaning of interdependence and coexistence is Tamil meaning, that is சான்று வாழ்தல் மற்றும் சக வாழ்வு. Okay, then a community is a place where people live together with a common interest or heritage. Community means different communities are living in the same place, but the people are together, they are living with common interests, but all are thinking we all are equal. Okay, then our community is made up of peasants, that is rearing cows and dogs, cows and goats, peasants. Then laborers, Neighbors also are made up of community. Okay, that is artists, then parents, teachers, students, and many others. So our community is made up of all these people. Then, for a comfortable livelihood, communities depend on each other. So, communities means different, speaking different languages, speaking different languages as well as eating different food. Then the lifestyle also is different. So, we depend on each other. Okay, parents depend on the teachers. Okay, because parents should depend on the teachers. Then teachers depend on the students. Okay, they are teaching them, they are happy by teaching the students. So each one should depend on each other. Okay, then only we can live a comfortable life. Okay, so for a comfortable livelihood, communities depend on each other. Okay, this is the part one. Okay, so I am completing this part one, understanding diversity. But in the part 2, I will explain the remaining lesson. Okay, thank you children.